How to create a PayPal account under 18 if your age is under 18, and if you want to create an active PayPal account for you, then how you can do it. To do this, open your browser on your PC and search for official PayPal website where you can sign into your account very fast. Click on the first official website that will be visible in front of you, and from here you have a lot of option to do it. Then you have to click on the sign up button on the right top of the screen. Click on the sign up, and here as you can see individual account. If you want to run as a business, you can create a business, or if you are individual, create an individual account. Here you have to enter your email address and then create a password for your PayPal account. Please enter the same email address that you have logged into your mobile phone to receive important updates about PayPal and its process. So in order to do this, what you have to do is simply enter this and wait for your password to be created on your account right now in front of you. After doing this setting, if you have a national identity card of yourself, you can simply enter it, and then there will be no considerations for the age. You can create any of the account if you're under 18. Please wait and check that when you're turning to 18, and please try to sign up after it, because you can create an account, but if you want to withdraw the payments, you must be 18. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching.